the brilliant trick that will change the way you cook pork ribs. For this recipe, we'll need 800 grams of pork ribs. I'll start by cutting them this way. Once done, I'll place them in this pot with 2.5 cups of milk and we'll let them cook for about 8 minutes. Then, I'll remove them from the pot and cut the ribs. Tell me how you prepare pork ribs at home. I'd love to know your recipe. Now, in a pan, I'll add 2 tablespoons of butter, let it melt, and then add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'll coat the ribs in wheat flour and place them in the pan. We'll fry them on both sides. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Michael Johnson from Akron, Ohio. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Once fried, I'll remove them from the pan and set them aside. In the same pan, I'll add 2 sliced onions, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of fine herbs, and mix everything. I'll place the pork ribs back into the pan on top of the onions. After making pork ribs this way, I'm sure you won't want to cook them any other way, and it will become your favorite recipe. Then, I'll add thyme to taste, 1.5 cups of beer. Cover the pan and cook for 20 minutes. After this time, I'll remove the lid and add half a cup of tomato sauce, chives to taste, cover again, and let it cook for another 20 minutes. Make this recipe at home and come back to tell me what you thought. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it.